I think that's ready. Whew. Hello and welcome again to my little den and my learning to cook pizza journey. I am going to cook my second rock box pizza in this oven, and so it's already hot, but I've kept it on full and it's been a good, 20 minutes since I last cooked my pizza. And the reason why I've kept it on full is because it's really windy today and cold, and if I'd actually turned it down anymore, if I turned it down from full, it wouldn't have kept my stone warm. So I've kept it on full, which has been great actually, so it's the right temperature for me. So the stone on the side is 400. I did do a cook with it earlier, and that's the reason why it's gone down in temperature. So it's just trying to creep back up to the temperature I need it to be again, which is about 420, 430. Okay, so let's go make the pizza. Right, I've made my pizza. It's a salami and mozzarella pizza, and I can't wait to put it in. Make sure I've got my peel. Just check the stone temperature. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a storm blowing up. Hope this thing still holds together. Right. Let's just check. Okay, that's gone up a bit high, but no matter, I can just protect the stone, the base, if it's gone too warm. Just gonna make sure that I'm not going to take off in this pergola any minute now. Right, I think everything's safe. I'm going to put this in. I'm going to turn it quickly though. I think my stone is quite hot, so I don't want to, well, I'm going to keep it quite to the front, and then I'm going to, hang on, yeah, I'm going to keep it quite to the front, and then I don't have to worry about kind of burning at the back. I don't know what I did to the top then, is that alright? Yeah. Just so I can get it lifted up, and then I can push it right to the back, then protect it with my peel. And just got to get this front bit up. Woo. You know what? Oh, it's not too bad actually. The stone's fine. Panicking over, not panicking, but I'm worried about nothing. Yeah, it's fine. Just right actually. Yeah. It's gosh. I always tend to have like one piece of the pizza that goes like that. I don't know, and I have no idea why. It is like a signature mark of mine now. It's happened so many times. It's not getting a lovely cook in there. Oh, blimey. Go into the flame. I think that's ready. Whew. Try that bit. Really enjoyed that. Very nice.
And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.